is coming back. When you see H, that means it's coming back home. So the battery is low. You can see there are only 2 bars. That means that it can't go far. So it detects that itself, and because of that, it's now coming down. You can see the altitude or the height is reducing. 27. These are the height is in meters. Now the distance is 0, 0. That means it never moved any distance. So it's just overhead on our above us. So here it is coming back. This drone is very good, very nice. It's called Phoenix drone. It is now recording. It's got very good videos. So I don't know how it's gonna go now, because it's looking for a good place to settle. And here it is. It came back by itself and stopped. So you can see how good this one is. So the signal is so good. It's still recording. As you can see, the camera is still blinking. So that means still. So if I want to turn that off, I just press this, and then it goes off. So that's how it works.